Dear learners, this is Dr. Sedhupathy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today, the discussion will be about computer system architecture. The base idea comes under operating system. Agenda for today's discussion will be computer system architecture, what it actually, symmetric multiprocessing architecture, and how a dual core design happens inside an operating system and a clustered system. So a computer system architecture, basically it can be organized in a number of different ways, which we can categorize roughly according to the general purpose processors used and the number of different or general purpose computer processors used inside a computer system. Most of the computer systems, it uses a single general purpose processor. What happens in a single process system? There is one main central processing unit which is capable of executing a general purpose instruction set, including instructions from user processes to hardware component signals. Almost all processor systems have other special purposes. All process has its own unique special purpose processors as well. If there is only one general purpose central processing unit, then the system is a single processor system. If you have more than one general purpose CPU, then it will be multipurpose processor. And here is an idea about what multiprocessor system and how it is actually growing. Generally, multiprocessor system growing in use and importance, or why those are getting that much important. So, okay, let us have a discussion. Another names for multiprocessor system as like parallel system or tightly coupled system. So there are lot of advantages of using multiprocessor systems. Some of things are listed out here. Increased throughput. And economy of scale. When you are using multiple processors inside a system, you can able to achieve more than one task at the same time, and the increased reliability. So one of the most important thing while introducing an operating system is reliability. It's a graceful degradation of fault tolerance. And multiprocessors are two types, asymmetric and symmetric. Actually, in asymmetric, each processor is assigned a specific task. It can able to do only one specific task at a time. Whereas in symmetric multiprocessing, each processor performs all the tasks. It is not mandatory that every processor must able to or must do only one task at a time. All the processors perform all the tasks is called symmetric multiprocessing. Here is the simple architecture of symmetric multiprocessing system. There is CPU 0, CPU 1 and CPU 2. There is a register memory and cache memory for all three different CPUs. But the main memory is common for all the central processing units. Here it is a simple example for three central processing unit, which is multiprocessing system, three multiprocessing system. And here is the dual core system or multi-chip multi-core system here. In the previous scenario, we seen about different central processing units controlled by register memory, cache memory as well with main memory. But here there is a CPU core, multiple CPU core, which termed as multi-chip and multi-core concept. System containing all chips, all the chassis containing multiple separate system, which actually faster than multiple central processing unit system. And clustered system, it is another concept, comes under multiprocessor systems, but multiple system working together. This is differ from the previous two scenarios. Usually sharing storages via storage area network, which means there is a common memory space, that memory storage is shared through different computer system, multiprocessor systems. So what is the basic advantage of this concept, this clustered concept, which provides high availability service, which survives failures. Here also there is a concept called asymmetric and symmetric clustering. In asymmetric clustering, one machine is hot standby mode, whereas in symmetric clustering, which has multiple nodes running applications, monitoring each other for doing multiple tasks at a time, at the same time. Some clusters are for high performance computing. The applications of high performance computing must be written to be like parallelization. And another one more simple concept, which is distributed log manager, DLM, which is used to avoid conflict operations. Sometimes memory management happen to tend to conflicts. This type of distributed log manager concept can able to avoid conflict operations. And here is the example architecture of clustered system. There is a common storage area network, and there are different computer systems with different multiprocessor systems. All the computers are interconnected to each other. Also the storage area also interconnected. Thank you for dear learners for your patience listening. I will look forward with you another topic. Thank you once again.